Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try sea green shirt with black pants and black sandals. Next you can try white printed shirt with brown baggy pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white striped t-shirt with black pants and white and brown loafers. Next you can try purple t-shirt and shorts with white sneakers. Next you can try sky blue striped polo t-shirt with white pants and black loafers. Next you can try green striped shirt with cream pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white t-shirt with grey printed pants and beige sneakers. Next you can try black shirt with white and sky blue striped pants and black slippers. Next you can try white oversized t-shirt with sky blue ripped jeans and white and sky blue sneakers. Next you can try red polo t-shirt with black jeans and black boots. Watch this video to know 35 polo t-shirt outfit ideas.